Welcome back, friends. And in your Samsung mobile, if you are facing sudden off problem, your mobile is suddenly getting off, apps are crashing, mobile is hanging, then I'm going to tell you one tip, one trick, one code, and some activities. After doing that, you maybe experience some better performance. You will not face the same problems again. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe if you like the video. So in Samsung mobile, just go to the dialer pad. In dialer pad, dial *#2663 and then hash. As soon as you will dial hash, you will end up in this screen, firmware version. Here you will find all the details. Just go to the TSP update general and just tap on here. Now it is updating. Don't turn off while updating, it will take some time, and then update complete. Once you have done that, then sensor hub F2 FW update, just update it. If it is coming failed to update sensor hub, this means that the latest version is already there in this mobile. So after doing these two activities, just refresh Wi-Fi version. As soon as you will press refresh Wi-Fi version, the mobile will restart. So see, the mobile is restarting. Just wait for some time. It is restarting. Okay, I will come back when once starting has done. Now phone is starting again, and after that you will find the significant difference. Your problem may not come again. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.